Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another episode of Cookmas where I share a recipe with you every day in December. Today is a HelloFresh meal. This is yellow squash flatbread. And might I add, I have had several flatbread pizza recipes from HelloFresh and they are my favorite. They are so good. I actually select this meal every time when it's an option because I love it so much. So it has squash and comes with a little side salad to put together. It is so good. So the first thing you want to do, wash all your produce, chop everything up. That way you can just bam, 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 put it all together. So first I'm starting off with a dry pan that I heated up and I'm adding some pine nuts and I'm just going to toss those around until they're toasted. And once they're toasted, I'm going to go ahead and remove those, add a little oil to the pan and add my green onions. Gonna cook those for about a minute or so. And then I'm gonna add in my yellow squash that I've cut into little moon shapes. And I'm gonna cook those for several minutes. Also going to season it with salt and pepper. And keep stirring it till it's completely cooked, and then you can assemble your pizzas. So I have my oven preheated, and here's my flatbread. I'm going to take my mozzarella, start shredding it, and then just scattering it on the flatbread. I get the 2 serving portions, but they also have options for 4 servings if you're feeding a family. Typically, I'm the only one that eats these meals, and I'll eat one for lunch and then the other half for dinner. My family's a bunch of veggie haters, so that's fine with me. I get delicious food all to myself, and I don't have to share. So now I'm adding the squash. And then this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and bake that. And then the salad is super easy. It's just lettuce and tomatoes, salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And a lot of their side salads are just as easy as that, and they're really good. You don't need any fancy fattening dressing to have good taste. So I'm going to mix that up and set it aside. And at that time, my flatbread is done. So the cheese is a little melted. I'm going to scatter on those pine nuts I toasted earlier and some basil, which I used all the basil. I love basil. It's so good, especially fresh basil. Yes, please. They also gave some chili flakes, so I scattered a little bit of that, but not too much. I didn't want too much spice to it. And here's the winner of the whole meal. Packets of honey that you can drizzle on the pizza. And oh my God, it is so good. Highly recommend it. And best of all, the recipe's below. They have them online. So check out the description box. You can follow this at home and make it yourself. But if you would like to try HelloFresh, I will put a promo code below that will save you a lot of money off your first order. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.